Saudara Presiden terpilih pemilu 2024 Prabowo Subianto kembali mengungkap bahwa demokrasi sangat melelahkan. Pernyataan Prabowo terkait kemunduran demokrasi diungkap saat diwawancarai oleh Al Jazeera. Prabowo menyebut meski menganut sistem demokrasi, korupsi masih terjadi. Prabowo menyebut meski berantakan dan melelahkan demokrasi masih jadi sistem politik terbaik.
How many governors have been changed? How many district bupatis have been changed? We have a living and vibrant democracy. Are we satisfied? No. Is there corruption? Yes. That's our problem and we have to deal with it. Democracy is messy. Democracy is tiring. But it's the best system of politics. What is the alternative?
Pernyataan Prabowo soal demokrasi melelahkan bukan pertama kali. Prabowo menyinggung hal yang sama dan menyebut banyak hal yang perlu diperbaiki dalam demokrasi saat acara Mandiri Investment Forum.
That democracy is really very, very tiring. Democracy is very, very messy. Democracy is very, very costly. And we are still not satisfied with our democracy. There is a lot of room for improvement. But also let us not have this inferiority complex of always feeling that we are inferior to everybody.